Hi all! Right now I am in Nordsjælland, Denmark, close to the small town called Hundested. The reason why I'm here is that today we have really good northern lights forecast, and in this latitude it's really unique to observe the northern lights. So I hope I will have some luck today. I will give you some tips and tricks how to capture the northern lights in Denmark. So it's almost dark, sky is clear, which is perfect for the northern lights. So if you want to capture the northern lights in Denmark, the best time is from September to April. You need to escape from the light pollution and go north as much as you can. Then you need a clear sky, really good when the moon is below the horizon, and the KP index of the northern lights is 5+. Then you need to look to the north, because the northern lights are coming from the north. So now let's talk about the gear and the settings. Usually I'm looking for the photo composition during the day, because during the night it's quite tricky to find something, and it's really dangerous and you can't see properly. So yeah, you need a tripod, stable, you need a camera with manual settings, and I really recommend a wide angle lens with an aperture 2.8 or lower. I have Sony G Master 1.8. Then you need a headlamp to not fall somewhere, and just warm clothes, and you have to just wait, because you never know when the northern lights appear. They can appear for 5 minutes, they can appear for whole night, you never know. So the northern lights arrived, but as you can see the moon is really bright, so it's really hard to see with a bare eye, but it's definitely there. On the left side here. It's the lighthouse, and here's the aurora.